Three-side sealing granule packaging machine. Applicable to the packaging of seasoning granules, granulated sugar, 3-in e-coffee, solid beverage granules, herbal tea granules, desiccants and other products. Material barrel. Display of materials. Measuring cup feeding ensures precise measurement. 7-inch LCD screen for intelligent parameter adjustment. Adjustable intelligent temperature control system. Multi-track film feeding device. Ribbon printer for printing production dates. Optical and electrical identification. Heat sealing mode. Pulling wheel. Cutting the finished product. Output the finished products. Finished product features flat and neat bag appearance, robust sealing, no material clamping, and zero leakage. Weighing test with precise dosing and minimal error.